Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can position yourself for Layer Edge Testnet. So before I show you how to go about how to sign up, let me show you what Layer Edge is really building. Layer Edge Testnet is live. So Layer Edge is building a Bitcoin backed internet using BitVM based trust minimized verification and proof of aggregation for all layers and apps. So guys, if you're not on this project, man, you're on a long team. So I will be showing you today how you can position yourself for their airdrop. And also they recently partnered with Nexus Layer, so this is gonna be big. So let me show you guys. Let's dive straight to the business. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website, copy the link down in my description to their website. So those of you who don't have PC, you can use your mobile phone. What I'm using right now is my mobile phone. So if you want to use your mobile phone, you can use Mrs. Browser. Go to Play Store and download Mrs. Browser. Let me show you. So as you can see guys, just type in Mrs. Browser on your Play Store app. So I've already installed it. So let's wait for it to install. Okay, so let's head back to the website and register. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. As for me, I'm using MetaMask. You can use other wallets to connect, but I prefer MetaMask. So now you need that referral code, that code down below, for you to get access to the mining dashboard. So here is the code. I will just copy the code and head back to the page. Okay, here you have it. Then continue. Sorry about my screen. So after you sign up, what you have to do is to click on Start Node. Just wait. So after you click on the node, you sign in this request and confirm. Okay, confirm, and let's go back to our page. Here you go. So we've started running the node. So what you guys can also do is that you claim your daily streak to earn more layer points, to earn more points rather. So you click again, it will come up automatically, or you can just go to your wallet and sign in the signature. So done. So let's go back to the Layer Edge page. Yeah, I've claimed my daily streak. You can also refer your friends and family. The more you refer, the more bonus you earn in terms of earning. So thank you guys for staying, and stay tuned for my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.